Hello everybody, I am Brian Trampler, Business Development Manager at West and Video Evangelist. Welcome to another Whiteboard Friday. So today we're going to talk a little bit about the rise of the video huddle space. The first thing that I want to do, though, is tell you a little bit about what a huddle space is. So a huddle space is a smaller room that may be equipped with video conferencing equipment. It may just be equipped with audio conferencing or a speakerphone, and it could be as simple as just a whiteboard like this. What we're looking at with a video type of conference room is bringing in a camera that can be easily mounted to a standard 4K video screen or monitor. It has a camera, it has a speaker, and it has a microphone all in one design. So that's one way to do video conferencing in that remote huddle space. Another way is to leverage a small personal device inside of that huddle space that has a camera that can be used to easily see one or two people. It doesn't need to have a good focal length so that you're not zooming in and out, but it allows those few people to easily collaborate in that room. And if that's in an open environment, if it's not in a set-aside office, you can actually easily connect just a headset and microphone to that personal video unit, and now you've effectively allowed yourself to remotely collaborate in an open office environment. Even that can be considered a huddle space inside of your office space. Now, sometimes you may not need to do video. All you may need to do in person is have some sort of a capability to show what you're collaborating on a screen. All you need is a share type of device then that plugs into that monitor that allows you to wirelessly connect to that monitor, share the content from your laptop or your mobile device, and allow everybody in your meeting to effectively collaborate either remotely or in person in that conference room or in that huddle space. So we talked a little bit about what the huddle space is. Why are huddle spaces for video so important today? Well, probably the number one reason is teleworking. We have a lot more mobile of a workforce. We have people that are trying to collaborate every day, and they may be on the road, or they may need to just jump into an office for a day. So we see that facility uses are changing along with that as well. That really makes that workplace dynamic shift more capable. So now facilities people are using their equipment and the layout that they have in their office more effectively. They can leverage all the different rooms that they have and all the different types of huddle spaces that they have more effectively for those workers when they need to come into the office. We have a lot younger of a workforce as well, and they're already used to using video. They may chat on video every day on their phones. They're using YouTube, and we want to be able to provide those same tools to them when they come into the office place. Give them a familiar environment that's easily repeatable, that they know how to leverage, and let them use video for their collaboration. And then probably the most important thing is that work-life balance that we're looking to achieve. We want to be able to go in, have an environment we're familiar with, and then immediately move on and be able to go on with the rest of our life or the rest of our day and not have to worry about tearing everything down or reusing that room for something else. So I think those are some of the important things to consider when we're talking about huddle spaces and why we see the rise of the video huddle space today. If you need more information about video huddle spaces, please feel free to reach out to West. Thank you.